Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me using a bunch of new products. The primary thing is going to be the iMagic eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, you're in the right place and you're going to want to keep watching. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. For those of you that are current subscribers, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. And without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick get ready with me, trying out a whole bunch of new products. I went ahead on Instagram and I posted a whole bunch of my new products that I got, and I asked you guys to let me know what you thought I should use in this video. So I'm going with what people had asked for. The first thing I'm going to go in for my eyes is the iMagic Professional 16 color eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This is very, very pigmented. And then for my highlighter today, I've got the Becca Light Chasing Highlighter. Just looking this up, I haven't even taken it out yet. And that's what this looks like. And then I also have the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So I watched another person, I cannot remember who it was, so tried this in a video and I wanted to give it a whirl. So we're going to try that. I got a new shade of the LA Girl Just Blushing in Just Natural, so I'm going to give that a try. I also picked up a Flower Beauty Tattoo Effect Brow Stain. See if that is going to work out fine. And then when I was at Walmart, I saw a brand I'd never seen before. It's called Found, and I picked up a couple of their matte liquid lipstick and lip liner kits, so we'll see which color is going to go best with my lip today. Foundation, I'm going to be doing a Battle of the Foundations this Thursday, so it is on the Rimmel Long Lasting 25-Hour Breathable Foundation, so that's what I have on my face already. So let me go ahead and get things going. Alright, I've already gone ahead and put on my concealer, which is the, I think I'm saying it right, Aritaum Full Cover Concealer, and this is in 01 Light Beige. I'll have links below in the description box for all the products. Really been liking this, so I'm going to go ahead and first blend that in with my fingers. I have not had any problems with this creasing on me whatsoever, or rubbing off. It just, oh my gosh, it gives so much coverage. Okay, I'm going to lightly buff that in. And then just to cover my lids a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape because that's a little more liquidy, and just a little bit on the lids to act as my base. I'll make sure I've got something good for that powder to go on to. And cover up all that discoloration on my eyelids. For under eye powder, I'm not going to use the Becca just yet. I'm going to use the Essence Brighten Up powder, and I'm just going to use a brush, which I need to get that. And I'm just going to go in with a brush and lightly set that powder. Alright, now with the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder, what I understand about this is it leaves, it feels like it's going on wet when it's not. So you want to make sure that you keep this completely sealed up. And it has the top, has a top within a top. So inside here there's a little lip that you just pull up on. And then there is, hopefully you can see this, a mesh screen inside. I'm going to poke on it and ignore my nails, they're getting done tomorrow. Powder comes through. So I think I'm going to take a big brush and start off with that. I don't know if I should use a brush or my sponge, but we'll try the brush first. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it feels like I'm putting pure water on my face, but I'm not. That's such a weird feeling. my brush is completely dry, but it feels like I'm putting water on my face. I don't know how else to describe it other than that. You know how when you go in with the damp beauty blender to set powders, that's what it feels like. But even wetter than that. But it's not. Feels very soft. Very soft. So yeah, I like the feel of this a lot. I might have a new favorite. We'll see how this holds up all day. I don't have a new bronzer, so I am just going to go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer and just bronze up a little bit. Alright, ready for some blush? And again, we're going to be using the LA Girl Just Blushing and Just Natural. I have the other color, Just Playful. I really, really like that one. Shoot. Okay, let me dump some of this out. It broke a little bit, so I don't want that flying all over the place. Darn, it was a little bit broken inside, so let's tap into this. Just like the other one, it blends out very nicely. This is so inexpensive, you guys. All right, let's go in with some highlighter now. So I have the Becca Light Chasing Highlighter. And this is in Pearl Flashes Gold is the name of that color. It's definitely emphasizing my texture. You can see that. Yeah, kind of emphasize the texture a little bit, so we'll have to see how that one goes. Let's go ahead and do the eyebrows next. I have the Flower Beauty Tattoo Effect Brow Stain. This is supposed to be a 12-hour wear that is smudge proof. It has a defining chisel tip applicator, and I am in the color Blonde. Let's see what it says about it. It is a game changer. Our revolutionary brow vixen tattoo effect stain is the answer to brows that wow all day. The precision chiseled tipped applicator delivers bold brows pigments that adhere to your natural hairs to define and sculpt them to perfection. How to use? With the angled wide edge of the applicator to use the angled wide edge of the applicator to outline your brow shape and fill in sparse areas. Then, using the chisel tip, feather hair-like strokes to taper your arches with precision. Okay, so that is what it looks like. So you can see that there is an angle to that. It's very, very thin, and hopefully you can see how thin that is. So this will be interesting. Let's grab a mirror and get in there. Ooh, this one's very reddish toned. I was afraid of that. Should have picked up 2 shades. Feels like I'm using a magic marker on my face. You see that? I like how it really goes in and does that feathered effect, but it's just too red of a shade for my brows, so I'm probably going to have to go in over the top of this with something to kind of tone that down a bit. It doesn't say anything about shaking it, and I don't hear anything inside of it, so hopefully that doesn't get dried out quickly. But just to go in and give my brows a little bit of a darker shade, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Brow Definer. Fix that a little bit. Again, I think that would be a great product if I had the right color. I really like it. Now that I'm done with my brows, let's get started on the eyes. Again, I'm going to be using the iMagic Professional Cosmetics 16 color eyeshadow palette, and I did pick this up off of AliExpress. You do have a nice large mirror inside, and these are the shades. So you get a nice combination of both matte and shimmer shades. They're also named, so I really like that. And this was so inexpensive. I want to say it was like $8 or something like that. I'll have the price down below here too, but I'll also have a link for you. So I'm going to start with the color Classic here, and I'm going to take that all over my lid. It's really a nice mirror too. All right, next for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here, and that is called Winky. Using a very light hand with these, because they're very, very pigmented. All right, now I am going to take a Morphe brush. I'm going to go in with this color here called Profess. Take that right into the crease. A little bit higher than that because, again, I have hooded eyes, so I need to make a faux crease on me. I just barely tapped into that, and look at all that color I got. Now I'm going to take a Luxie 231 tapered brush, and I'm going to go into this beautiful shade here called Smoked. And I'm going to take just the tiniest bit right on the outer part of my eye and into my crease, kind of in that V area. I'm going to do circular motions to kind of blend that in. Now on the lid, I'm going to go in with this color here called Mallory. It's a kind of a champagne gold. And then I'm going to go in with this color. Let's go in with Rebel today, which is another shimmer shade, and I'm going to take that on the outer part of my eye. Ooh-wee. That has got some crazy pigment to it. Now I'm going to go under my eyes, and I'm going to take that first color, Winky, and just go all the way underneath. I do have a little bit of fallout I'm going to need to clean up. And then on a smaller pencil brush, I'm going to take that color Smoked and just go very lightly right at the outer edge. All right, let me go ahead and do some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I've got the mascara done. I've gone ahead and applied some setting spray, and now let's move on to the lips. So again, I picked up this Duo, which is a matte liquid lipstick and lip liner set by a company called Found, which again, I've never heard of. But I got two colors. I got the color Honeysuckle, just like this. This is the lip liner, which is a retractable one. I don't think this is going to be the color I end up going with today. That's the lip liner. And that is the lip color right there. And then the other one I got is Rose Hip, which I feel like that lip liner matches it very well, but that's what we're going to go with today. So, looks kind of streaky. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is very dry feeling. Feel like I'm having to go over the line a lot. All right, let's hope that the lipstick itself goes on a little easier. Almost looks more like a lip stain. It's not coming out very creamy or anything. It's very patchy. When I rub my lips together, it's kind of rubbing it around. Okay, let that dry. I'm going to go in with the second coat and then see how that comes out. All right, this is a second coat of the lipstick, and that went on a lot better. Definitely patchy with just one coat, and I'm going to show you again. I'm going to just swatch this shade, and you can see how that just did not go on evenly whatsoever. A lot of the product just does not come out on the applicator at one time. So it's just really, really patchy with one layer on there. It's not a stain though. It definitely comes right off. So take for that. I'll wear this and see how it lasts throughout the rest of the day, and I'll leave some comments down below in the description box letting you know how it held up. But not a fan of this pencil. Again, it was just really, really dry. However, the other shade, the other shade's really dry too. So very, very dry on those. So far, not something I would run out and pick out some other colors of this as well. Okay, this is the look. I love this palette. I have gone and ordered some more palettes from iMagic because I was just such a fan of these, and this is so inexpensive. So I've ordered some more, wait for them to come in. They're coming from China, so it'll take a while. And maybe I'll do like a whole video on some AliExpress products and see how that goes. So let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do a video like that as well. So I'm a fan. I highly recommend this palette. I think it's just gorgeous. But as for the other products, I like the blush, the highlighter. Again, left some texture on there. Oh, look at the lipstick on the teeth. Great. So yeah, lipstick on the tooth for this. I like the eyebrow pencil or stain thing, but again, just the wrong color, so I would need to pick up the correct shade for my eyebrows in that. So I think that would be something I would definitely pick up the other one in. The powder, wow, the Becca powder, that's really good. It left such a nice finish on my skin, so I really, really do like this a lot, and that's something I'll continue using as well. So I just wish I could describe it to you better, or you could feel what this is like. So if you get a chance, if you're in Sephora someplace, try this. It just feels very wet when it goes on, but it's not. So fun. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, I love you guys, and bye-bye.